Jai Hind Cadet. Today we are going to study about India, and India we will be studying basically about the climate. We used to read in daily newspaper and watch on television about weather. So question will arise, what is weather? So here is the definition. Weather is the about day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. Day-to-day changes, moment-to-moment change, hour-to-hour change. Whatever the changes is happening in the atmosphere, it will be called as the weather. Now weather includes changes in temperature, rainfall and sunshine. These are the important elements: temperature, rainfall and sunshine. Basically these elements used to change, and because of the change in the atmosphere, it affects to change the weather. The major seasons recognized in India are, there are four major seasons: cold weather season, that is winter season from December to February; hot weather season, that is summer season from March to May; southwest monsoon season, that is rainy season, it is from June to September; and the season of retreating monsoon, that is autumn season, and this is season from October to November. So these all are the basically four seasons in India. First, let's study about the cold weather season, and we will see the important characteristics of winter season. During this season, cool, dry winds blow from north to south. Means the wind will be moving from this northern part to southern part, means from land to water bodies. Why this is happening? Because India lies in the northern hemisphere, and in northern hemisphere when it will be winter, this means that in southern hemisphere on topic of Capricorn, sun rays is falling directly, and in the northern hemisphere sun rays is getting slanting rays on the topic of Cancer. Topic of Cancer divides India into two parts. So here, because of the slanting rays in India, we will be having winter season. Not in India, complete northern hemisphere. And India is also lies in the northern hemisphere. So if it is winter here, that means in southern hemisphere will be summer. When in the northern hemisphere there will be summer, then in southern hemisphere it will be winter. Always it will be vice versa. Now the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. As a result, the temperatures are quite low in northern India. So in India it will be having winter season. Now the next season is hot weather season or summer season. In this season, here is the topic of Cancer in the middle, topic of Cancer, and now the sun rays will be falling directly here on this latitude. So in the northern hemisphere or in India, we will be having summer season. Okay? In the hot weather season, sun rays more or less directly fall in this. Temperature becomes very high. Here in the summer season, temperature will be very high. Then the next important characteristic is hot and dry winds, which is called as loo. This loo used to blow during the daytime in the northern India. These are the states: Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal. These states, central states, will be having loo. Next season is southwest monsoon season or rainy season. In this season, sufficient rainfall we will be having. That is why this season is called as the rainy season. This season is marked by the onset, means coming of the monsoon, onset, and advance of monsoon. The winds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land, means from the southern India winds are moving to northern India. When winds will move from southern India, means from water bodies to land, then winds will carry moisture, and then when it collides with the hilly regions, here it will be having orographic rainfall. In India, most of the area is having orographic rainfall at the time of rainy season. They carry moisture with them. These monsoon winds used to carry moisture with them. When these winds strike the mountain barriers, then rainfall occurs. So these are the important characteristics of the southwest monsoon season. Now the last season is season of retreating monsoon. In this season, winds move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal means here water bodies. This is the area, Bay of Bengal, and mainland is, this is the mainland. Now winds will move from mainland to southern India, or you can say the from land to water bodies. This is the season of retreating monsoon. In other words, we can say that a returning of the monsoon. The southern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receives rainfall in this season. At the time of monsoon, these states, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, this is the state, Andhra Pradesh is here and Tamil Nadu is here. These states lies into the rain shadow region. And because of the rain shadow region, these regions are not getting rain at the time of monsoon. These states used to get rainfall in this season, that is the retreating season, when winds are coming from the northern part and going towards the southern part. Then these winds used to carry moisture from the Bay of Bengal, and when it collides with these coastal states, then these regions are having rainfall. So this is very important question, and this question can arise: why Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh states are not getting rainfall at the time of monsoon? They are getting rainfall at the time of retreating season. So for today only this much. Thank you.